What's up, Royals? Welcome to Netra's garden. I really need to get some things planted out. I'm just gonna throw a few things into these Dollar Tree stackables, and I figured why not film it. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna plant up some lettuce into these stackables. I know it's still hot out, but we'll see if they survive. I'm gonna keep them in shade, so we're going to do that. So these are the little lettuce starts that I have. This is Paris Island lettuce, and I think these will do good in the Dollar Tree stackables, so we're gonna try it out, see how it goes. So I already have soil in these. I'm just basically mixing it up and putting the lettuce in here. I'll add a couple handfuls of peat moss. Just because this soil, I don't know why it's staying so moist, but I don't think it needs to be that moist. I don't want my seedlings to die. I put Swiss chard in here, and they didn't grow that great. I don't know if it's the soil, but we're gonna try again, see what happens. We'll add some worm castings, and that'll be it. Hey girl, there are my seeds. Just looking for those. So in previous years, I grew lettuce in just a regular container with peat moss, and it did really, really good. So I think peat moss is a very good growing medium for lettuce just because it's so fine. It doesn't have a lot of chunks in it, so the lettuce can get down in there pretty good. So I'm only going to do a couple of containers today, however many I can get, and then I'll do the rest of the containers when I get some more peat moss. I kind of want to try to do like some lettuce heads in here, because before I was doing cut and come again lettuce. So I actually want to try to get a head of lettuce if possible. Maybe a small head of lettuce would be cool. So yeah. And I also have some spinach, but it's still hot. It's still getting into the 90s. It's gonna be in the 90s next week, so I don't know. Lettuce just does not do well in the heat. But we're just gonna test it out. See what it does. Okay, so we've got 3 in there, and this is gonna be, I guess, the top tier. No, we've got 3, 4 in here. And you can also do flowers in these. I don't have any flowers at the moment. You can do herbs, so I'll probably try to throw some herbs in to the other ones. I might put some coleus in these, so we'll see. There we have it, one done. And then this one has 2 lettuce and a couple of spinach that are trying to die. So let me know in the comments below if you like, you know, these more just random videos of me just turning on the camera and showing what I'm doing rather than, you know, thought out. Because right now it's about 3 o'clock. I just picked up my son from school, so the twins are napping, and this is like one of the times that I get to get out here in the garden and get some stuff done. But it's usually really hot out here at around 3 o'clock, so I don't like to film when it's hot because I really have no choice, but I usually don't film after school. So I ended up getting 2 new raised beds, but I don't know if I'm moving next year, so I don't know if I should even set them up. It's really hard. It's a really hard decision, but I might end up setting them up for spring. I don't know. I don't know. I need more space, you guys. I need more space to grow. I'll be surprised if these do good. Comment down below what you grow in your Dollar Tree stackables. I would love to know, because I have a ton more to sow, so this won't be the last video on Dollar Tree stackables for the season. I plan to put some herbs in some of them, so look out for those videos if you like container gardening. We're gonna be experimenting. Okay, stack these on up, and there we have it. We got our lettuce sown. And a good way to save on like worm castings and fertilizer is to just put it around the plant that you're sowing or planting at the time. You don't have to put it across the entire soil surface, just right in the area that you're growing the plant. And that'll save you a ton of money. So there we have it. I don't know if I should mulch these to keep them a little bit more moist. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and water these in, and I'm gonna keep them right here in the shade. Let's water it in. Because these will dry out quick if you don't keep an eye on them. So for some reason this soil, no, it did just rain, so I think that's why the soil was so wet. And these will perk back up in a couple days. These ones down here, the spinach will. So, there is that. And I'll end up fertilizing these with fish emulsion probably the next watering. So I hope that this video was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.